Oh, my bad, Mr. J. I didn't mean to break in here like that. By the way, I just want to say thanks for the opportunity. We really appreciate the job that they gave us. Hold on, let me take this off. Really appreciate the job that they gave us because, things in Gotham very hard right now, and this was a real good look for me, so thanks. By the way, so we were about to hit the bank in Gotham, and they told us to hit, right? So we ran up to the front of the bank, getting ready. All of a sudden, we just hear, swish. So I look up, and bro, I see Superman flying in. So I was like, nah, we can't do this now. So we ran to the side of the bank. At the side of the bank, it have like a little a dumpster. So we went to the side and we was hiding there. Bruh, tell me why Batman, Wonder Woman, Flash, and Aquaman pull up to the same bank that we about to rob. So he was like, nah, we can't do this here. So we get ready to leave, right? Tell me why. We hear Superman talking something about we just got intel on the Joker's new lair and we about to engage soon. Engage? So that's why we decided to come back here and let you know quick that the whole Justice League coming here, not just Batman, because we could have deal with Batman alone, but the whole Justice League coming here. So burn, scrap, throw away, bleach everything we have here, and we had to leave. Mr. J, I didn't mean to cut you off. My apologies, but you just hear what I say, right? The entire Justice League is coming here. The entire Justice League, not just Batman. Superman, Flash, Aquaman, Wonder Woman. Ever hear about that last truth? You know what that's do to you? I know the man's still laughing. He's still laughing. You hear what? I know you hear what I say. You just heard me say the Justice League coming here, right? And he's still laughing. You know what is going on outside? Batman break a man hand in 4 places just for littering. Yo, why we don't see Tim no more? Because in Arkham locked up. I thought the man was on a vacation or some kind of thing. No, he in Arkham. Why? Because he was smoking some weed. It was medicinal. He had asthma. That is why he was smoking the weed. And that is after Batman beat the living daylight out of him. Yeah. You know what? I can't take this anymore. I quit. I'm sorry. They have a man on their team that could kill us just by looking at us. The laser, I think Superman is, we could kill us by just staring at us, bro. You could deal with all that. I good, bro. I'm going. This city is too much for me.